Kaka's trying to eat you. He's trying to eat you. Is he funny? Say, Kaka, what are you doing? I'm your brother. I'm not a sandwich. Oh, he's giving you a hug. Oh no. Can you sit up, JP? Oh. Kaka. Come here. There you go. Oh, no. Can you give Kaka a kiss? It's nice.